Let's go.
We going to Walmart, boys.
Let's going to Walmart.
Go get them.
Dude, what you got on your hand? You got a candy
Walmart,
necklace,
boys.
bracelet or something? Oh, that's it.
We're going to Walmart.
This is not even sour.
Hey, that's actually a good wrap.
Wrap it. Let me see you wrap it.
Alright, hold on.
Let me see you wrap it.
Look at
Good.
my kids.
We're going to Walmart, boys. We're gonna get some toys. You know that your face ain't like- I was just about to get your hug.
Come on, baby gamer. Let me hear your rap.
No, we're gonna make you Fortnite. That's so, such a new bad Fortnite. No,
He's talking about himself.
at Fortnite, that can go down. That all the way.
Come on, where you going? It's over here. Where you going?
And you know what? No, I want like
Let's go.
what?
Come on, where you going, BJ? Gamism, you leading the way. Where are we going? Where are we going?
To the Northern Station.
Alright, Sunball.
Pokemon codes.
Come on, where are you
I
going?
want Pokemon codes.
Oh, you guys are not. You guys just
Come
come
on.
on. Go straight that way. That way. This way. Down that way.
Bro.
Come on, dude. Come on. Let's go.
Why you don't do it? Yeah, because you know.
Wait.
Where is it at? It says toys. All right, let's go. Where are you going? Come on, dude. Where are you going? Let's go. Oh, Nerf right here.
Hold on. Since when do they have this? It's also the Elite set. So they got laser.
Oh, they're over here. Look, look. Look, they're almost out right now. Look.
Look at this.
They're almost out. You better get some. Look.
Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I'm getting this one. I'm getting this one.
What is this? This is new.
Let me see what you got. Which one you got?
I'm looking for an automatic gun, but they're probably all
Whoa. This is gonna hold you.
Like all the Nerf guns are gone.
This is gonna
They got the output.
That big one right there?
Yeah.
Look at that one. Baby gamer, look at that one down there. Look.
Whoa! I'm getting one of these.
You want to get one of those?
Yeah. I'm getting one.
Dude, that might be too big. Don't you think that's too big for you?
I can reach it. I can reach like the wood top.
You sure?
What's up this?
Wait, which one you going to get? Are you going to get that one in your hand or are you going to get the big one? What you going to get? What is your weapon?
That could hold.
What is your weapon?
You should get that one.
Is that like a dual one right there? That's a pack of two right there. Why don't you get the pack of two? What is it got? It got a laser or something on it, don't it?
Yeah, that's a laser gun.
Oh, that's a laser gun. Oh, so it's not a Nerf gun.
No, it's made from Nerf, but
Do it shoot Nerf bullets?
no.
Look at this. Look what I just found over here. Look at that zombie gun, baby. Look at that zombie gun. Oh my God! Look at that.
Is there another row?
No, this is it.
You sure?
This is it. I'm telling you, this is it. And it's sold out. Unless we go to a different one.
Yeah, it's also a different one. I mean,
You want
we
to go
could go
to?
to the one closer to our house.
You want to go to that one?
Yeah, that one might have more. The only ones that I don't even throw it out or the pistol.
All right, so what we gonna do? We gonna go to the other one?
Oh.
Are we going to the other one?
I want this one.
Let me see. What's wrong?
That one.
Let me see that one.
Look, so you put it in there and then you pull that thing down. It's kind of like
That holds. That's the one.
it's like a jolt. It's like a jolt, but it's.
That's the one.
All right.
No, never mind, no.
No, get it. Let's go. Why you don't want that one?
That holds.
Look at the price.
Why you worried about the price?
What? What's a cycle?
But look how much money this is.
Yeah, but
This is the one I want right here. That's the one I want.
Okay. I'll let you have it.
Watch yourself.
Only thing, I'm not gonna let you get me with that. I ain't gonna let you get me.
no, I'm getting this.
Are you sure?
You got that one? Let me see it.
It's the striking.
You might need this. A bullet pack.
Dude, how many bullets do it take?
Take.
Daddy,
I don't even know how much this takes.
look at this.
I think it's a pack of 2.
So you gonna get that big one right there, the Alpha Hawk? All right, you better grab it.
Yep.
All right, let's go.
I don't know.
I don't know what I did.
What?
Oh my gosh, look up there.
Is this an automatic gun?
Oh, I think that's the same one up there. Oh, those are the same ones. Hey, look at that one up there. There's one up there.
I see.
Don't fall, dude. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. I thought you don't have that one.
There's multiple of these.
Do they even have bullets to that one?
Can I come with bullets?
Don't look at.
What does it even come with?
What does it come with?
You know what?
There's no bullets to it?
Look
What
at
a-
her.
Don't let it yourself.
Yeah, I'll get this one.
Let's go. Let's go.
I got a bill on mine.
Come on, let's go.
I got a bill on mine.
Hey, you know what? You're gonna get in trouble.
But Daddy has that beauty.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. People are waiting. See, look, we got a line behind us. Let's go.
Bruh. That's what you said in practically all of it.
I know, we got a line. Are you gonna be able to handle that big old thing?
Look at that. Minecraft car.
Let's go.
Look how cute it is.
This is the best one here.
Yeah.
Out of all of y'all.
You can't.
Even though I like snipers, it's still the best.
Watch it, watch it, watch it. Come on, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go.
This sniper's gonna beat you. Like,
You gotta find a line to get in.
like
Find the shortest line.
Because, Dad, look at mine. Look at mine.
You gonna stand right here? This the line? Okay.
Look at mine.
Come on, stand over here. You got people waiting for you. Watch out.
Look at this.
Okay, you got a bag back.
I don't like these.
Look at that. Look. Look, Dad. Look.
What?
Oh, I thought it came with these two.
That. Look at this.
That would have been
Look
cool.
at
I like
this,
this
Dad.
one because then you could
Look
pull
at
out
this,
an extra
Dad.
weapon and be like boom, boom, boom.
Big and Dad, look
No,
at
you got it now. You think that, baby gamer, don't you think that thing is too big for you? Dude, you really gonna be able to handle that?
Yes, I am.
You sure? You positive?
I mean, that
Okay.
thing barely has any accuracy. Well, it says darts designed for greater accuracy, but if you use regular darts like the elite darts or these, like the white darts, then oh yeah, these are the elite darts, but they got new elite darts.
You guys are
You
great.
got those darts. That doo-doo I'm playing. It's actually pretty good for a pistol.
Get in line. Hey, Leave stuff alone. Let's go. No, leave that alone. That's another dog on Nerf.
No way.
Look, look at her. She got the gun. She got the gun at you. You see her? She was pointing her Nerf gun at you. Look at her. She's pointing her Nerf gun at you. She was about to blast you. Yes.
That's pretty good. That's 4. Oh my god.
My big new gun.
Look at what you could get. So there's a micro, which you could put in an attachment. And then you have the MK3, but then you could get a Hawkeye, and a kickback, a reflex, hurricane, excess.
Hey, dude, is you trying to take it out already?
Look at this.
Watch it.
If you ask me.
But guess